Rumors are circulating about the upcoming OnePlus 13, expected to launch later this year. With a new design, better battery life, and AI integration, the OnePlus 13 aims to be a significant upgrade. Recently, an exciting leak surfaced online about the camera of the device, so stay tuned and consider subscribing to our channel for more updates. Last week, details about the OnePlus 13's camera setup were leaked in China. The same source, known as Digital Chat Station, has now provided additional information about the sensors used. The OnePlus 13's main camera is rumored to use a Sony LYT-808 sensor. Both the ultra-wide and 3x periscope zoom cameras are expected to feature the IMX-882 sensor. All three cameras are said to have a 50-megapixel resolution, as previously speculated. This means the telephoto camera has fewer pixels, while the ultra-wide camera has more compared to the OnePlus 12's setup. The new cameras should offer better quality photos and videos. The OnePlus 13 is also expected to have a new 6,000 mAh battery, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset, an ultrasonic in-display fingerprint sensor, and a new camera island design. The phone is anticipated to be officially released towards the end of this year in China, with the international model following shortly after. The OnePlus 13 will likely come with an updated version of OxygenOS based on Android 15, featuring more AI tools. Enhanced Google AI tools are expected, providing a more intuitive user experience. This aligns with Oppo's strategy to integrate AI across its devices for smarter and more efficient functionality. Following the pattern of previous models, the OnePlus 13 is expected to launch in China in December, with a global release in early 2025. Pricing details are not yet clear, but it is expected to start at around $899 due to rising component costs. So what do you think about these latest leaks? Are you excited about the OnePlus 13? Let us know in the comments below. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.